Hiding data using white space steganography. Here I have Windows Server 2012 machine, and I have a folder in a C drive with the name of white space steganography, and there is a folder snow and this file of snow tool. We just need to open CMD, go to the C drive, just list it using dir command. And now we need to go into white space steganography and into snow folder and just list it. Now we just need to open Notepad with the file name file1.txt. Open it and just type, this is a test file. And just close it and save it. List it using dir. Here you can see file1.txt is available. So now we need to run snow. Let me maximize font. Use command snow, capital C, M, define my bank account, ICICI, number is, just close it. Define password 123@abc and define file name file1.txt and also give new file name file2.txt. Message exceed available space by approximately 638%. An extra 10 lines were added. So now the data is hidden inside the file2.txt file with the content of file1.txt. Run command snow, C, define password 123@abc and just give file name file2.txt and give enter and you can see your informations. Now let me go to the GUI, open C drive, go to the white space steganography, go to the snow folder and just open file 2. See difference between both output. Here you cannot see your hidden data, like my bank account number is something. But if you are using snow, it will give you your hidden data information. So hope you understand how you can hide data using steganography technique. So thank you for watching this video. Image steganography using OpenStack. Here I have Windows 10 machine and I have downloaded OpenStack tool to the C drive already. Just go to the C drive. Here you can see OpenStack. Just run setup OpenStack tool. Click on I agree, install and close. Now we just need to open Notepad and type this is my account number and just save it on C drive with the name of test file 4 account and just save it and close it. Now need to open Stego. Just click on Run Open Stego. Just select message file. I'll create a message file in C drive. Test file for account. If you have already cover file, you can select from here. But I will create a random image as a source. And where do we want to output Stego file? I will give output to the desktop folder with the name of Stego_output, and just click on open and click OK. Message embedded into one cover file, skip residual file. Here you can see Stego_output file is available. Now we just need to go into Extract tab, select Input Stego file, go to the desktop, select Stego_output. Just click on open. Output folder for message file, select same folder, desktop, click on open, and we just need to click on OK. Just click on OK. Here you can see test_file for account, and this is my original file. So hope you understand how you can hide data using OpenStego and how you can extract data using OpenStego tool. So thank you for watching this video. Steganography using OpenPub tool. Let's begin. Here I have Windows Server 2012 machine, and I opened OpenPub software. This OpenPub folder, there is a file test.mp4 and it is secret document, and it is result folder that you can see here. Now we need to just click on hide button, remove, enable B and enable C, define strong password to encrypt the data, define target is secret document file, select test.mp4, and now just click on hide data. Where do we want to export this file? Just select result folder. Here you can see result folder. Just click on OK. It will export to this result folder. Career proceed. It's done. Now, if you need to unhide, just click on unhide. Define password that previously configured. Add careers. Go to the result folder and select test.mp4. And just click on unhide. Where do you want to export this? Just select result folder and click on OK. Here you can see secret document file after proceed. Here you can see secret document is generated, my secret data. So hope you understand how you can hide data behind a file using OpenPub and how you can unhide file using OpenPub. OpenPub is a tool used to encrypt data and hide data. So thank you for watching this video.